Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Once again I am in front of you all with a new topic of biology, that is the mode of nutrition. Before starting the mode of nutrition, I must tell you what nutrition is. If you want this topic in more explored form or in the more exploratory way, then you can go into the previous video. But if you want a definition, then I can say you that the nutrition is the process of intake of food just for the utilization of it. Okay, the taking of food and its utilization is completely the process of what? Nutrition. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the mode of nutrition. Then please be with me for the complete knowledge of the topic, because today I am going to talk about the autotrophic mode of nutrition and the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. With the name, it is clear that before from the childhood time also you are studying about the process of autotrophic mode of nutrition or the process of photosynthesis also. So the photosynthesis is the whole example of the autotrophic mode of nutrition. We have divided the mode of nutrition in two parts. First one is the autotrophic mode of nutrition and second one is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So what happens in the autotrophic mode of nutrition? Auto, it means self. Whenever any plant or animal which is able to make its own food by itself, because they don't get any previously prepared food or any fruit or any vegetable, nothing. The plants are, that's why it's called the autotrophs, because they makes their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. मैं कितनी पिछली वीडियोस से बताते आ रही हूँ आप लोगों को कि प्लांट्स अपना फूड खुद ही प्रिपेयर करते हैं जो भी इन्वायरमेंट में. सो व्हाट इज ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन? द ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन इज that type of organism is kept in this category who prepared their own food by itself for with utilizing the inorganic substance which is present in our environment. What are the inorganic substance? The inorganic substance are the phosphorus, sulfur and potassium, all this type of different types of minerals and chemicals. With the help of all this nutrition or all these minerals, if anyone is preparing their own food, then it can be said in the category of the autotrophs. Now we see and look at the second one, that is the heterotrophic. What are the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, or the organism? Which organism are kept in the category of heterotrophic mode of nutrition? So hetero, it means friend or other. If some other organism is preparing your food and you are taking that fully prepared food as we human beings. We human beings do what? We human beings have the food that plants have created or made, manufactured for itself, or the plant's fruits which is provided to us as a food or as a nutritive item. Because that's why we are in the category of heterotrophic animals or heterotrophic organisms. So we human beings are a one simple most example of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So guys, hope you all have liked this video or enjoyed it, and for the next distribution of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, because we are right now going to distribute the heterotrophic mode of nutrition into the three different ways in the next video, that is the saprophytic, parasitic and the holozoic mode of nutrition. So for the knowledge of these three, please continue with me in the next video. Thank you.